Now, when your mind says no, you're not up to the mark, that is because of your social circumstances. That might be because of your comparison with people or things like that. But when your soul is trying to pinch you and it's trying to tell you that you're doing something wrong, what it's trying to tell you is that the humanity in you has gone down. It's trying to help you to raise humanity or even raise your life energies. It's trying to tell you to do the right things. That's why, the soul might try to pinch you. Just try to upgrade yourself, empower yourself. That's the process of evolution. When you take small steps towards your evolution, that is called transformation. When you take a long step, a big step, you take a big jump towards your evolution, that is called self-transformation. I hope it's clear between transformation and self-transformation.